is the Baroque dance by Daniel Spear. So important thing is that it's in F position, and in F major you will have a B flat. So we have staccato and legato, and I would say breathe with music. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a breath. E, do, and then finger 1 and 2. Now let's go to second section. So Loftian will start with A, da da, then B flat, da 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 da, F, da 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 da. Then Loftian's gonna go staccato. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So your left hand actually does not move in the second half. So keep it here and make sure you have your B flat second finger. The right hand will, of course, move around a little bit. So 1 and 2, and again third finger will be on B flat. Da 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 da. Second finger A, F. Then we'll lift after F, moving down to D, D, G, F, jump on E, F. Now we're gonna have a trill here. So to practice this, practice first without a trill. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, and then we're gonna add trill, and then if you go faster. All right, so I'm gonna put them together, the four, measure 5 through the end. 1 and 2 and